All right, morning guys, Joney Jefe here. It's about 10 o'clock. It's July the 4th, Friday, 2025. Here at the at the Savanna Apiary. I'm gonna pull some honey supers today. I've been here about 20 minutes, maybe longer. Got some breakfast on the way here. Temperature today is going to be about 74 to 73 to 94 degrees, and it might rain, so I hope it doesn't. I'm going to pull a few supers today. I need to tamp down the grass right there in front of these guys over here on the far right. Let me see. I predict 3 to 7 supers of honey. 3. The bottom super, so I got 3 hives there that got supers on them, right? And I got 4 hives with just double deeps, no supers, and then I got 2 hives with just single deeps. So I'm referring to the hives with supers. 3 of those, I predict I'll get the bottom super in each one of those. The hive with just 2 supers, I may or may not get that second super. I don't know. I don't know how we'll see. I didn't add a super to it, a third super on it a few weeks ago because it wasn't ready. So it may be ready now. It may not be. And like the other supers, if it's not ready, I'm gonna leave it, and I'll just come back in the fall and pull that super. And it'll have some fall honey in there, I guess. I don't know how, I don't completely understand how all that works out. I'm sure it'll have a mixture of the spring honey and the summer honey. Anyway, I'm rambling on, but I'll do the same thing. So the 2 tall ones, number 1 and 5, the 10 of spades and the queen of 9 of spades, they have 4 supers. So at the very most I could get today from this yard is 10. I'm not going to get 10. I'm not ready to bring 10 home right now. I got to bring a lot tomorrow as well from another apiary. But like I said, this is just the game planning. I'm gonna pull all the available supers that I can. I'm gonna check the single deeps to see if they're ready for another box, and I'll feed them. I don't know if it's a good time to add another box. We're fixing to go into a dearth. I don't know if their population is that big. It might just be better to keep it in one box and just feed them one more good time before the dearth hits. Maybe put a queen excluder on there. Not a queen excluder, an entrance reducer. I don't know. I'm just gonna play it by ear, but I'm gonna check those. Then I'm gonna check all the ones that are double deeps with no supers. At least 2 of those have internal frame feeders. I'll fill those up most likely. And the ones with the jars, I'll fill those up. I don't think any of those guys are going to be ready for a super. I don't know if it's a good time to add supers now. I do got 5 or 6 supers that I just harvested from another apiary that I could put on there. Last year I would have put them on hoping for a big crop of fall honey. I'm thinking that's probably not the best idea, but I could add those supers. I might use those supers to add to the single deeps if the single deeps were crowded enough, and just let them fill that up with honey and even brood. I'll probably put a queen excluder in there, but just to give them more space and get them ready for the winter. But at this point, I think I'm done trying to get supers onto these newer hives. All right, guys, I want to go ahead and get started. So this is my recap. It's Joney Jefe here. Thank y'all so much for watching. More to come.